Well, the holidays are fast approaching, and if you are like me, you must be thinking of the perfect meals, the perfect drinks for all your hosting. This apple cider sangria is something that you will love, and I bet anybody you serve it to will love it too. Very perfect for the season, absolutely delicious, and so simple to make. Come along with me and let's make this. You will love it. So this is a sangria, so we definitely do need some fruit. I have 2 apples, 2 oranges. I also have this pomegranate. I'm going to use the seeds as garnish. The orange and the apples I'm going to slice into my sangria right away. One reason I love this drink so much is the fact that it has spices that are very familiar to my Ghanaian palate. The taste and aroma just reminds me of home. So I'm going to be using some cinnamon, an absolutely perfect spice for the season. I'll also be using some green cardamom pods. These have hints of mint. It has a little bit of spicy notes to it, so definitely perfect in here as well. Some star anise are going to go in here as well. These have some licorice kind of flavor to it. It actually reminds me of ginseng toffees. So good. So good. And yes, I'm going to be adding some cloves in here, so this should tell you why I love this drink. And of course, we have the main ingredient, which is apple cider. This is just the drink, not vinegar, so this is pure apple cider. And I also have here some ginger beer. This is non-alcoholic. This is just spicy ginger beer, which also reminds me of Ghanaian ginger beer, popularly known as Hausa beer. You can use any kind of ginger beer or ginger ale, or even pure ginger roots if that's what you have available. But this is my favorite drink. It makes it easy as well. I'm going to start off by slicing my oranges, and I'm making them into these big circles because I'm going to be using a juice dispenser. If you are using a pitcher or something smaller, you might want to cut the circles into halves to make it fit better. Now I'm going to put these on the plate, set it aside, and cut up my apples as well. I'm going to cut my apples into halves, remove the core, and then I'm going to cut them into thin slices. I'm going to set my apples aside, cut up my pomegranate to remove the seeds. The seeds are actually what I need for my garnish, so I'm just going to remove them ahead of time, put them in a bowl, and refrigerate for when I'm ready to use them. Okay, let's put our sangria together. My serving vessel is going to be this juice dispenser, so I'm going to be putting my sliced oranges as well as my apples in there. Lots of fruit. It is a sangria after all, and it makes for beautiful presentation, so why not? I'm also going to add in here 7 cinnamon sticks. Yes, I want that cinnamon flavor. If you don't want too much of it, you can definitely reduce it. I'm also adding 6 star anise in here, about a tablespoon of cloves, and 10 cardamom pods. Now I'm going to pour my apple cider over everything, all of this. I'm going to be adding 5 of my cans of ginger beer in here. They are 5 ounces each, so 25 ounces total. And I'm also going to use my 2 bottles, which are also 6.5 ounces. I like this drink a lot, and I can stand the heat. You would probably want to adjust it as to how you want it. Not too spicy, but it is very flavorful, so I really love it. And as you can see, it is carbonated, so it gives you that fizz. You could also add in here some sparkling water to give you a virgin vibe. And if you want to add anything else, you can definitely go ahead and add whatever you want. It is, after all, a sangria. You can make it virgin or add some alcohol. I am adding some Chardonnay to it, something to make it not too intense, something mild that I can take. But yeah, it is so good. Just for the fragrance, I would say not too much in here. I'm now going to stir to get everything combined, and then I'm going to let this sit for about 5 hours. You want to make this ahead of time so it gets the chance for everything to come together, the spices infuse, the flavors come together. So I'm going to set this down until it is time to serve. And to serve, I actually made these ice cubes with some sliced orange, sliced apple, and a star anise on top of it, just to make it beautiful. And I'm going to add just a little bit of ice in here because I want this full. Normally, I wouldn't want to put any ice in here because it's going to melt and it's going to, of course, dilute your drink. So I prefer the ice on the side, but just a little bit here to make my dispenser full. It's not going to hurt a thing. So you've planned the perfect occasion. You've made a perfect guest list. Planned the perfect meals. You certainly cannot leave the perfect drink out of the equation. Try this. Everybody's going to love it. It has taste, it has flavor, it has aroma, and it definitely has class. You might want to have a list of the ingredients available because people are definitely going to ask you. So I've garnished with an extra cinnamon stick. I'm adding my pomegranate seeds in here with a little bit of the juice. Absolutely loaded with antioxidants, and I love the pop of color it brings in here as well. Thanks for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy. Cheers.